Welcome back to Sunshine and Country. They'll be 1 month old this Thursday, so you can see they've changed a lot just from last week. They're starting to get their red coloring in, they're feathering out, and they're already jumping out of the brooder. But see, I have that gate I put on top of it. And they're still using a heat lamp some. I just turned it off so they didn't get hurt on it. See? There you go. See? Swallowing my feet. It's feet. There's still a couple of them down in there. You can see one's on the little toy thing, perch thing that's down there. I just came in to give them water and they are rowdy. Bunch of rowdy girls. I have a suspicion there might be one or two that might turn out to be a rooster, or maybe not, but their feet are bigger, their legs are a little longer, and they're all supposed to be pullets. They weren't a straight run, but we'll see. They may just all be girls, and some are just bigger than others. And we had to put a bigger bowl in there for them. They knocked their little temperature gauge down in there. Don't have names for all of them. Just one, which is Sweet Girl. And that's her. Hey, Sweet Girl. We just use this big tote we have for years when we use as a brooder. It's a 50-gallon. We usually keep them in here no more than a month, and then we upgrade them to a pen outdoors once they've feathered out all the way. And that's where they stay until they get big enough to be integrated in with the other hens. And being in that pen out there, they'll be surrounded by the older ones so they can see them. And it seems to go very well doing that method. When we get them as chicks, we bring them in here. They stay in this brooder for a month, and then they move out to the next one, which is a cage, a larger cage enclosure, and stay in there until they're about 4 to 6 months, and then they come out. Just depends on their size and everything. So that's an update. Have a sunshiny day.